Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate sidebar on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open the settings applications. Now in the settings applications, you just have to scroll it down a little until we'll find here the gestures options. Tap on it. And after here, we'll see the second option, which is sidebar. If you want to activate it, you just have to tap on it. And now activate the button beside the use sidebar. I'm gonna tap on it for activate. And now we can go back because we already used the sidebar here. You just have to slide it to the left like this. And it will be a sidebar, yeah guys. This is what I mean. And this helps us to simpler open any applications by tap on this sidebar. We can set here for the applications or the features that we want to add to the sidebar options. For example, here I'm gonna add the clock options. Tap on it, and now it will be already on the sidebar button, yeah guys. I'm gonna go back. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.